When disaster strikes, will you be ready? In this video, we're revealing the best Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you must have in 2025. From bug-out bags, tactical gear, and emergency food supplies to solar-powered tools, portable water filters, and off-grid survival kits. These must-have items are perfect for any SHTF scenario. Whether it's a natural disaster, power grid failure, or total collapse, this gear could save your life. Stay prepared, stay smart. Let's dive into the ultimate survival checklist.
When enjoying the outdoors, creating a safe and cozy campfire is essential to elevate the experience. Meet the Tripod Torch, a game-changing, packable, smokeless campfire solution designed to enhance outdoor gatherings. With a unique horizontal burner, it provides a steady, unobstructed flame, ensuring warmth for everyone. This portable campfire features a safety regulator valve and an 8-foot hose, allowing precise control over the fire and making it fire ban compliant. The stainless steel construction offers durability with lockable legs for enhanced stability and a toolless setup. When the wind picks up, add a heat shield to keep warmth directed. And with 3 shields, the Tripod Torch transforms into a camp stove. Its compact design ensures easy portability, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or backyard adventures. With its focus on safety, efficiency, and heat output, the Tripod Torch is an ideal way to enjoy campfires while minimizing the risk and hassle of traditional wood fires. When you're outdoors, a reliable and versatile air pump can be a game changer for inflating gear or lighting up the campsite. Meet the FlexTail Max Pump 2 Pro, the ultimate portable pump, offering multiple functions in a compact design. Weighing just 160 grams, it's perfect for any outdoor adventure, easily inflating large items like boats and airbeds at 300 liters per minute. Not only does it pump air, but it also works as a vacuum for space-saving storage when it's time to pack up. The pump doubles as an ultra-bright stepless dimmable camping lantern and even functions as an emergency power supply with a Type-C charger. Its IP55 waterproof rating ensures durability in harsh conditions. With its built-in fire starter, the FlexTail Max Pump 2 Pro proves to be an indispensable tool for camping, hiking, or any outdoor excursion, combining lightweight convenience with high functionality. For any outdoor enthusiast or adventurer, having a reliable, durable knife is essential in tackling survival tasks. Meet the Perkin Hunting Knife, a 12.5-inch fixed blade designed to handle a variety of outdoor challenges. Crafted with a razor-sharp blade rated 59 to 60 HRC on the Rockwell scale, this knife ensures superior cutting power, ideal for hunting, camping, fishing, and bushcraft. Its full tang design offers maximum strength and durability, while the sturdy leather grip handle ensures a comfortable and secure hold. The knife comes with a high-quality leather sheath for safe storage and easy carry. Whether you're cooking, hunting, or surviving in the wild, the Perkin Hunting Knife is the perfect companion for any adventure. In today's world, ensuring clean, bacteria-free water is a top priority. Introducing the Luma reusable water bottle, an innovative solution that utilizes digital UVC light to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria in both your water and the bottle itself. Designed with an insulated, sleek exterior, Luma ensures fresh, great-tasting water with no lingering odors, even after repeated use. The UVC light in the bottom of the bottle makes contact with the water, providing effective purification in just 60 seconds. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 2 months on a single charge, this eco-friendly bottle offers convenience, cleanliness, and sustainability, protecting both you and the planet. In today's world, a functional and sustainable wallet is essential for those living an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Introducing the Scruba weightless wallet, designed to be ultra-lightweight, durable, and sweat-resistant, making it the perfect companion for travel and everyday use. Made from upcycled material, this wallet fits all common currencies and can hold up to 12 cards. It's tear-resistant and designed to withstand the rigors of daily life. Its edges naturally fray over time, developing a unique aged look that tells your personal story. Affordable, eco-friendly, and practical, the Scruba weightless wallet combines style, functionality, and sustainability in one compact package.